Welcome back to my channel, Third Angle. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a pattern in DraftSight. So there are basically three types of pattern that we can create in DraftSight: a circular pattern, linear pattern, and the pattern on the path. So on the screen here, I have three simple drawings created. So first one, we are going to create a linear pattern. The second one, we are going to create a circular pattern, and on the third one, we are going to create a pattern on the path. So let's just draw a circle in this rectangle here. Let's just make it 1/2 inch radius circle, and now I want to create a linear pattern of this circle. So I will go and click on this pattern menu. I'll go to linear, and it says specify entities. I'm gonna select this entity, hit enter, and then in the settings here it says vertical axis 4 and horizontal axis number 4. So let's just do 2 on the vertical axis, and then in the distance here I want to go down, so I will put negative, and then in horizontal I would just create 8 different circles. So let's just hit OK, and you see how that creates the pattern of the circle. Now what actually happened here is our distance is too low, so I'm going to increase this distance here, and the same thing I'm going to repeat. Hit enter. Vertical axis 2, this one is 8, and on the distance here, or the spacing, I will just say -3, and in 1 I'll just say 2 inches, and just hit OK. So that's how I created my pattern. Now I can just delete these extra things that are here, and let's just dimension that vertical line again. Okay, so that's how we create our linear pattern. For the second one, the circular pattern, I'm going to do the same thing. I'll just select circle, and I'll draw a circle on the quadrant point here, and let's just say that's 1/2 inch in radius, and then I'm just going to change this layer to 0. Now go back to pattern again, go to circular. In the specify entities, select your circle that you want to create a pattern for, hit enter, and then here you have to give the angle. So let's say I'm just going to create 4 different circles on the 90-degree angle, and on here the axis point, that is actually our base point. So I am going to select the center of this circle. So what this is gonna do is it will create all the 4 circles around that center point, and then just hit OK. So that's how it creates a circular pattern. For the pattern on the path, let's just do same thing. Create a circle of 1/2 inch, hit enter, and then change the layer of this to the solid layer or the 0 layer, and then click on the pattern again, go to path, specify entities. I have to select that center again and hit enter, and on the specify path I just have to select my path here. So let's just select my path, and then in the distance here I can just say, let's just put it on 2 inches. Total number of elements, it's gonna decide by its own based on the length of this path. So I'll just leave it as it is and hit OK, and that's how I created my pattern on the path. So stay tuned guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching.